Alright, so we got the bigs, the fish. Ah, sweet.
What's over there?
Lime juice.
Simba, you make lime juice?
No. Okay then. Oh, you move so goofy, man, you get a bowl.
Welcome back to another episode of Do It Prove It. Today we're here at the waterfall, the Twins waterfall, and we've got Coop, Zimba, and Simba. I know it sounds confusing, but it's Z and S. So yeah, and today we're gonna be frying up these beautiful fish. So we got the kuvali and we got ourselves kabla. The fire is already going. Coop is taking care of the coconuts. We got some flour, some oil, and we're gonna be making some bakes. So stick around, and I really hope you guys enjoy today's episode of Do It Prove It. Like I said, we're at the double waterfall or the Twins waterfall. Yeah, we might make a hike to the top and see what's going on, and hopefully it should be good. So let's just get organized, and as the bakes are frying, I'll let you guys see what's going on. Moss. Well, it is what it is. Azima? Well, nothing on. Boy, son, come in here serious. So guys, we got the fish, got some salt on it already. So we're gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. We got the mixture, the coconut milk. So we're gonna be needing the flour with coconut milk.
I don't think I'm done big generally. And then everyone will come like, yeah, you know, fry and your bag. Where? Yeah? Go hold on, man. I remember doing now, it's not here. There's one. So what you doing like that? Oh, they're going to the action area for the back. Oh, yeah, I see. Oh, yeah, one of them. One now. I'm going to take it. Bad boy, cooking it up right now. Only got fish frying. Right by the waterfall. Fully. Watch the boy look at you, anyone look current. What we done now? Come on, boy. It's waterproof. Man. It's cool right now, boy. It's coconut, fucking everything.
Eh? Who can go worry about people like a crayfish, boy?
No, the crayfish. Phone again. Not to come off yet, boy.
Yeah, Coop. So guys, right now we got the bakes going. A few finish, you know, a little high brown, but it is what it is. We got these going. You got this by stone. Pour them. Pour them in here so by stone. You see how? Yeah, cool. Woo, 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 woo. All right. So we got the bakes, the fish. Ah, sweet. We got a few more and a few bakes going. And check out what Coop caught already. A whole bag, almost a pound of crayfish. So Coop, what you do with them there? I fry them. Is you can go you're gonna carry them a river go fishing.
It's bayside.
Bayside. You're gonna carry them a bayside go fishing? Alright. Right now, everything is pretty much finished. So we're gonna be enjoying some bakes and fish. We do got a little doughboy on the fire going, but that's not the main dish. Yeah. This is the main dish. We got bakes and fry fish. So we're gonna be having that right now. And you can see Coop caught a bag of crayfish. That's a crayfish. So tell me if this reminds you of anything. I mean, I know a lot of you guys are from Vinci and you know about bakes and stuff like that. So tell me what's your favorite bakes, because this having coconut, pumpkin, nutmeg. I mean, it's just amazing. So we're gonna be having that like right now. So yeah, we got some lime juice. Lime juice. Simba, you make lime juice? No. Okay then. So I'm just gonna go. I don't want to go too much, so I'm gonna do 3, and the other guys are gonna take what's theirs. So I got myself cobbler and Coop boy, you know, easy man boy. Oh, you move so Coop, man, you get a bowl. So sadly, this is Coop bowl. So the way I see it, I'm gonna have to chow all of this down one time and Coop can get his bowl. So check it out, guys. And we got lime juice. So yeah, limes or lemon, whatever you want to call it. That's the juice. And yeah. Nice. So the guys are just enjoying themselves. They're going at it. And so Simba, what you got to say about the fish? I bakes. Proper dumpling. Alright. Okay. Is man afraid to eat or no, man? You and Coop. Coopy, what you say?
Yeah, man, tastes good, man.
Tastes good? So guys, I'm gonna enjoy my bakes and fish, and then after we're gonna be taking a swim. So the guys wanna take a little tour to the top. We're gonna do that as well. And yeah, so the pan dumpling is doing its thing, and we're just gonna enjoy. So we're gonna be honest, we're gonna eat. Oh, you guys wanna see me eat? I'm gonna tell you how it tastes. Wow. It's pretty amazing. Really amazing.
How are you doing, Alicia?
Water. And it's time for us to take a little hike to the top. So let's go right now and see how it's looking up there. The guys want to go up there. I've been up there before, but didn't do much footage. So we're gonna do that today. Enjoy to the top of the waterfall. So we're gonna have to go and come around. Yeah. Right now we're to the top. The guys are making their way up. And let's head down to the other side. So the road changed a little bit, but we made it. Up here is pretty nice in my opinion. It's just a little bit more difficult to get to, but it's worth it. Me think kaya last. So guys, at the top of the waterfall, let's check it out. It's pretty amazing.
Another one. Wow.
Yeah. Like a buko boss a cook up here. This is crayfish out there. What's over there? Mono! Simba! What's on there? I'm more. What's up with let's go. Boy? Why are you a crayfish now? Why was a crayfish? What's that can over there? You see one thing I never see that in the eye? What? That big good man in there, man. What's wrong? What crayfish? That's all I'm feeling. Why are you a crayfish? I'm not up small again. Yeah, boy, I have to come with a basket. Yeah. Maria, crayfish, now? Yeah, boy! What up? So, guys, I really hope you're enjoying this view. It's just amazing. Wow. What a nice one. I most crayfish me ever see at one spot. And the night, eh? What's the sleep at night? Again. What's the sleep at night? Simba! Another waterfall! A whole other waterfall! So guys, I mean, we are on top of another waterfall. Had no idea it was here. Honestly, had no idea it was here. But we're going to be checking it out. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. And I think this is just amazing. Oh my gosh! Wow! Wow, 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 wow. We're cool. Check that out. What's the nice? Nothing right. Hopefully nice, hopefully nice. I'm the guarantee. Might get So guys, we are all here. Check it out. Zimba! it's your first time here. How is it?
It's amazing.
Amazing. First time. First time. Simba, is it your first time? So, it's just amazing. I mean, just check this out. It's like 3 waterfalls back to back. But for some reason, want a view up the boys. I really want to check out above this other waterfall. There's another river to that side. So we're gonna head above. I mean, this is gonna be like the second above. So we're gonna make sure we get above it and see if there's another waterfall to the top of this one or that's just it. It's a little bit late, probably 5:30, but hey, we got light and it's just a matter of getting up and get back down. So it shouldn't be too challenging. But yeah, I'm gonna do it. The guys are just enjoying themselves to the base. So let them do that. And I'm just gonna take my time and get over. Hopefully there's something great to the top. I mean, if it's not, then hey, at least we know better. Man, this is really steep. I think I'm right to the top of it. To the very top of it. Guys! What's up? Let's just see what's up here. It's not looking too bad, but it's not. Okay, so we made it. Not too bad, not too bad. No more waterfall not there up here, but it's good still. Koopy! So we just made it to the top of the waterfall. As you can see, the guys are down there. So I'm gonna be heading back down. I think I'm gonna go the way I came from, but let's just make a little tour, maybe just a little bit up more, some more, a little bit, and see if there's anything else. But I mean, if you guys have enjoyed the episode so far, share it with a friend so they can enjoy it as well. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And to all of our subscribers, thank you guys so much for being a part of the channel. I mean, it's just amazing to be out in the wild doing crazy stuff like this. And I know a lot of you guys actually want to be here and do stuff like this, but you can. And like I said, if you want to do that, if you want to do stuff like this, just head over to my Instagram page, send me a message, and we can arrange a day, book a tour, and do some hiking. And if you want to cook as well, we can arrange that. So yeah, the links would be in the description to the Instagram. Check out the big crayfish. They're really big. Wow, I didn't caught one. So I haven't seen any other waterfall to this side. Maybe one day we can explore just a little bit more. But for now, I'm gonna head back down and meet the guys. We're gonna take a little swim at the waterfall. So now that we know it's 3 waterfalls close to one another, this is a game changer. like honestly. So I'm gonna get my hair washed and all of that, and it's just a matter of getting out of here. It's kind of dark us on the way home, but that's okay. We had fun. I had fun, and I know the guys had fun. So we are just gonna head back down. We still got some fish and a little panda boy, so we're gonna enjoy that after the swim, and it's home time from here. So let me just try and get back down safely, and yeah, this is not where I came, but I'm gonna figure it out anyways, no problem. So I'll get back to you guys when I'm down. Whew. Up the nice, I know, but me feel if any action they are getting far up, eh?
Quite up.
Yeah, far up. Well, it still catch. Yeah, so guys, we got some crayfish. Right now we are in the other stream. Yeah, let's check out the amount of crayfish. Cook one jack boy.
I got more.
I want a ton back one.
Barry, crayfish boy.
Some other time I might explode up there. Trying to catch crayfish. Yeah. We already got a handful. Check it out. Why killing nigga me? Alright. You not catch no Zimba? Oh, watch my name did it. I was sitting hand on the stone. Watch, look how big one guy not this. By stone, this.
Yeah, catch that there? Catch that there, push that there.
Sima, hey mo Sima, cool. Pull out a piece of bush and give me. See if I could get on come right out of your heart. So I'm going to rest of the crayfish in a minute. Right. Right.
Are you crayfish?
And then there no man.
Oh yeah. Come right here.
Wow, some big one right there, so cool. Where can I grab them there? You can't grab them there. You can't grab them there, Simba. They're too bad. Me I come.
You see man at the pool, man.
So Simba now I catch one too, me don't catch. Me don't catch Simba I catch one too.
See man, I perform good, eh? Say don't go there, pick up already. Yeah.
Put them in.
You think me a wait for them? You're saying under the store, them boss. Oh, yeah. You're saying on there, you're saying on there two, you can say on the one, you can say on the one. A two. Let me show you. Oh, you saying in there, I'm saying that's not a hole. Not a hole.
Yeah. Boy days, man, boy days.
Maria crayfish boy sir. Wash.
Ah, cut it on, bro.
We catch.
Yeah.
Man, I catch them all study. Watch out. Water so deep.
Why water deep?
So I'm gonna take a little peek over to the other side. This is gonna be the high waterfall. a little crab. So you got a good bit of crayfish. I might take these to the surf. See if we can catch us some fish. So it's 1, 2, and 3 waterfall right in the same location all the time. I thought it was 2, but it turns out it's actually 3. So 3 nice waterfall in 1 location. So if you guys ever want to book a tour with Mr. Do It, just head over to the Instagram page, send me a message, and I'll make it happen. Okay? So thank you guys so much for being a part of the channel. Thanks for all the love and support you have been sending us. We're gonna head back down, enjoy the water a little bit. I might take you guys in. Let's see how that's gonna what you gonna tell them?
Like, comment, subscribe.
Okay then. So yeah. So we are back down and it was just amazing. So I'm gonna take you guys inside. We're gonna head under. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Yeah.
Boy, crayfish not till later. Real crayfish.
Right now we are getting ready to leave. We're enjoying a little bit of dumpling. The guys are getting all start up, so Scoop is having his. Check it. Check it out. It's just amazing. I got mine, and the guys are gonna have theirs a while from now. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's episode of Do It Prove It, and I'll see you guys in another.